Alright guys, this is a very quick, easy video, and this is also another cheap mod. Now this is not going to be a 100% necessary mod for everybody, but it could be. I think it's also easier to find where your jacking points are on these cars. To me it's easy. I've had a lot of people say they have struggles doing it. There's literally arrows pointing on the plastic to it. But the issue I'm running into now is with my plastic, or my carbon fiber side skirts. When I jack it up, it kind of pinches the carbon fiber just because of how fat the faceplate of the actual jack is. Now they do make special pucks that you could put on there to help go onto the pinch weld to help it not do that to that. But what I'm gonna do is, like, if I'm not at home with my jack, say like when I go to Discount Tire or wherever that's gonna jack the car up, this will give them a spot to jack it up. These are just literally jacking extensions. So your pinch weld's gonna go in between here, and you're gonna have a screw that's gonna just screw into there to pinch it in there. And again, it's an extension, so this will get it lower than where my carbon fiber side skirts are. Not by much, but enough to clear them so it's not pinching my carbon fiber side skirts. I don't gotta worry about cracking or fatiguing my carbon fiber side skirts over time. So we're gonna throw these on real quick. Should be really quick and easy. I'll show you how to do the first one and then all four from there, and bada bing, bada boom. I'll also provide the link. I got these on Amazon. The issue with providing the link is the link changes all the time. You literally just look up like pinch weld extension. These are listed for a Camaro, but with them being, I mean, a pinch weld's a pinch weld, you know what I mean, no matter what car. And with it having a screw here that pinches onto the pinch weld, it's pretty universal. So, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. It comes with all these Allen screws that go through there. It even comes with the Allen wrench that you need. These are like under 30 bucks, like $26. And so we're just gonna take them and show you exactly like what I mean. So when I get underneath mine, right, I do have a little window that Victor made that's cut out for the pinch weld, right? But when the you can see how it kind of curves back, so it's still hitting here or pinching and pushing up, and that's what I don't want. So this is gonna essentially sit in here on the pinch weld like so, and you see how it is lower than my carbon fiber side skirt. So basically it's going to be where I put my jack every time to jack up this side, and I'll be able to put a jack stand on there without pinching or pulling on my rail. So let me get up in there and tighten this up. I'm not even having to jack the car up. I could probably just do this all right here from the ground, and you got plenty of room on the back side to reach the Allen keys, so should be really quick and easy. And just like that, everything's seated, everything's in place, and you can check the whole vehicle from that. So there's a jacking point. We'll do the other four, and again, it's just awesome. So you're gonna make sure everything's fully seated too, like everything's just like touching that pinch weld, and it's all the way up. That's what I'd recommend, especially since I'm getting the weight of the vehicle on it. But yeah, guys, these are solid aluminum too, and just a good solid option if you end up going with like a side skirt like I have. This would even work with the plastic ones that Weld sells. It just keeps everything getting in the way and keeps you from pinching your actual carbon fiber or your plastic. So those are gonna come in handy. Other four should go on really easy. Man, just look at the way these Mickey Thompsons look on here with these welds. Looks insane, guys. Just insane. All right, guys, and there we go. We got them on all four corners. I know you can't see those over there, but these two front ones, and then we got the other two side ones. Well, this two sides, whatever. We got both sides. We got all four of them on, all four pinch welds. Look at these Mickey Tom. I don't want to take them off, but I know I have to, because driving these on the street is just not smart. But dude, they're a ton of fun, and they look so sick. Look at them. I think this is my shortest video in a while. Super easy mod. Again, it's listed as a Camaro thing, but obviously you see that it works for the Explorer. So I'm gonna go out and get a few more draggy runs tomorrow, and then I'm gonna end up taking these off and putting my street tires and stuff back on, which sucks, but hey, you know, I can't roll around on the Mickey Thompsons and stuff forever. They're just not street I mean, they are street rated tires, but you know, they're not good for daily driving or just running around. So we're gonna try to get some more times out of it, even in this Texas heat, and see what it does. And as always, guys, again, I just hope this video is helpful. Under $30 mod that helps do more mods on your Explorer because you get better jacking points. So yeah, guys, y'all take it easy. Love y'all, and until the next one.